Hey Siri, take me to Rollercon.
Vegas!
Getting directions to Westgate Las Vegas Resort and Casino.
116 miles to Vegas! So, I'm sure that you want to know what was in all 18 bags that we packed, and let me just give you a little tour of the room real quick. So, we've got our bar, snack area, I need to relax station, just in case we're like, I'm sad. And this is our glitter station, just in case we need like a pick-me-up, you know? Rollercon! Oh, should I do my intro here?
No.
What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? It's Queer Girl Straight Skate, and welcome to 24 Hours at Rollercon! I did my best to pack as much stuff as I possibly could into 24 hours. But also, just because all of these things are available in 24 hours doesn't mean that you need to do them. It probably is a little dangerous to do all these things in 24 hours because you're super wearing out your body. Not everything that I put in this 24 hours was I able to actually accomplish. So I spliced a couple things from a couple other days to throw them into the video just so you could get a full experience in 24 hours. Good morning! I just woke up. It's 5 a.m.-ish. We are, for the first part of our day, doing a skate down the strip. 24 hours in Rollercon starts now. Hey babe, what are we doing right now?
We're up. No one should ever be up this early in Vegas.
They'll say.
You should be up. You should be going to bed at this time.
Every morning at Rollercon at 6 a.m., a group of skaters goes and skates the strip. The skaters skate all the way from the Westgate to the Las Vegas sign. Skate the strip! Throughout Rollercon, there are a bunch of different bouts being played, and all of them have themes. I'm in a My Favorite Murder versus This Podcast Will Kill You bout today, and I am on the My Favorite Murder team.
Good job!
Stay sexy and don't get murdered. So I'm gonna go drop in on a black and white scrimmage. So black and white scrimmage is you just show up to this scrimmage and you can just get in line and they take the first 5 people and then you just play. The score doesn't matter, it doesn't count, it's just for the fun of derby, learning how to play with other people, and just having a good time. In the interest of saving time, since we only have 24 hours, I only played about half of the scrimmage of the black and white scrimmage, and now I'm gonna go take a few turns on the bank track. So if you don't know, a bank track is a track that you can play roller derby on, but it's the tilted one. So it's not a flat track, and you get a lot of speed, and a lot of leagues actually don't have access to bank tracks, and so Rollercon is a great place to be able to try a bank track. So next we're going to Vendor Village. Vendor Village is full of vendors from all over the United States and the world who create awesome roller skating stuff and roller skating accessories. So the skate park has these open sessions, so we're about to go and do those. Now that we're done with open skate park, there's actually a skate park class happening right now, so I'm gonna jump in on that. I'm gonna learn how to try and jump on some rails. One of the awesome things about Rollercon is the plethora of different classes and workshops that are available. All right, so I just finished taking a class on skates here at Rollercon. I took a spinning class. My feet are tired, so I'm gonna take an off skates class. What time is it?
Pool time.
Pool time. The pool! It's open all day long, and it's open super late just for Rollercon attendees. So get your extraness on, throw on some sunscreen, and go out
to the pool.
Roller derby players come from all over the world who are top level players, and they play all these bouts that you can come and watch, and most of them are themed, which makes them super cool. So tonight, we're going to see the drag kings versus the drag queens. We have a derby wedding. So here you can get married to your derby wives and have a little ceremony. There's a full processional, and so if you feel like getting married to your best friends, that can happen now. The bout is done, and before we go to the party tonight, we have one more thing to do, and that is the Chicks and Bulls skate park tour. Every night of Rollercon, Chicks and Bulls goes to a different skate park. So I'm about to go to the Riddell Circus party right now, and the Riddell party every year is themed, and this year it's Circus, so I am being a trapeze artist. Each night of Rollercon, there are different parties. So tonight is a circus themed party, but tomorrow there's a drag show and burlesque, and the day after that, there is a black and blue pool party, which everyone dresses to the nines for that you cannot miss.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wonder.
All right, we just got back. It is 4:30 a.m. and that concludes our 24 hours at Rollercon. I just took off all my makeup, and so I am ready to go to bed. Good night. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girls Straight Skate. I hope you enjoyed 24 hours at Rollercon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs, from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. Later, skaters. That was weird. I did not do that. No, but I didn't even do this. I went like this. I'm exhausted.